Welcome back, folks. Today, we've got something exciting for you. We're going to delve into the world of millionaires and their income streams. Ever wondered how the wealthy generate their wealth? Well, in this video, we're going to reveal the secrets behind 5 income streams that millionaires use, and guess what? You can copy them. So, stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have actionable insights to potentially boost your income. Before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel, Top Finance, for future updates. Let's get started. Real estate investments. Our first income stream is real estate investments. Millionaires often diversify their income by investing in real estate. They purchase properties, such as rental homes, commercial spaces, or even real estate investment trusts, REITs. Here's how you can copy this. 1. Research. Study your local real estate market and look for opportunities. 2. Invest. Consider purchasing your first rental property or investing in a REIT. 3. Property management. Efficiently manage your properties or hire a property management company. 4. Cash flow. Enjoy rental income and potential appreciation of property value. Stock market investments. Next up, we have stock market investments. Millionaires often invest in stocks to grow their wealth over time. You can do the same. 1. Education. Learn about stocks, market trends, and investment strategies. 2. Diversify. Create a diversified portfolio with various stocks and ETFs. 3. Long-term perspective. Invest for the long haul to benefit from compound interest. 4. Risk management. Be cautious, do your research, and consider consulting a financial advisor. Entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is another income stream for millionaires. Many of them have built successful businesses from the ground up. Here's how you can follow suit. 1. Identify a niche. Find a market gap or an area where you have expertise. 2. Business plan. Create a solid business plan and secure funding if needed. 3. Execution. Start your business, focus on customer satisfaction, and adapt to market changes. 4. Scaling. Expand your business and consider franchising or diversifying into related industries. Passive income streams. Now, let's talk about passive income streams, which are crucial for millionaires. Passive income allows you to earn money without active involvement. Here are some options. 1. Dividends. Invest in dividend-paying stocks or funds. 2. Rental income. Continue growing your real estate portfolio. 3. Royalties. If you're a creative artist or writer, royalties from your work can provide passive income. 4. Online businesses. Set up an e-commerce store, write e-books, or create an online course. Investments in startups and ventures. Our final income stream is investments in startups and ventures. Millionaires often put their money into early-stage companies. Here's how you can do the same. 1. Networking. Attend startup events, pitch sessions, and angel investor meetings. 2. Due diligence. Research potential investments thoroughly. 3. Diversify. Invest in multiple startups to spread risk. 4. Mentorship. Offer your expertise and mentorship to startups you invest in. And there you have it, folks. 5 income streams that millionaires use to build and grow their wealth. Remember, it's essential to diversify your income sources, just like the wealthy do. So, whether you're interested in real estate, the stock market, entrepreneurship, passive income, or startup investments, there's a path you can follow. Before we go, I want to stress that achieving millionaire status takes time, effort, and often a fair amount of risk. It's essential to make informed decisions, continuously educate yourself, and seek professional advice when necessary. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on personal finance and wealth building. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, the journey to financial success starts with the first step. Good luck on your path to building your wealth.